Hey guys, so we're jumping back into the rewatch. We see that all heck is breaking loose here in the middle. Over here, we got Larry holding the front by inches. Meanwhile, we got Alex throwing in his goths with bombard cannons and Travis trying to support. We've got Joel going crazy. We've got Taylor going crazy. We've got Ethan's just eating things, and so is Taylor. Let me see down here. Larry and Chase have cut through, and that is where we are at. So Larry's cut through, and Chase is plunging. Taylor is not really done much there over there, but let's see where Chase goes because this is their first plunge. So he's going down. Gonna drop him right here. Meanwhile, Ethan's going, Joel's going. Look over here. Looks like Taylor has decided to go back up the hole. See here. Chase is still just going nuts down in the bottom, just eating the trade. That's a trade murderer right there. I'll just eat up all of the trade. Yeah, Taylor just went back up that hole. What's going on over here? So Larry's getting hit by me. Which is pretty bad for Larry. Meanwhile, all of this is going on over here. You look in the back. Chase is just going rampant on the trade. He's just completely shut down the trade. They put up a castle. They're walling off the trade some more. He did a good wall off really up the trade. Let's see here what's going on over here. Oh, I'm just attacking nothing. That's whatever. Meanwhile, Chase is still back here, just going nuts. Although now we've got Joel and Ethan trying to get him out of there. Which is probably, that looks like enough that it will take care of that. So now Taylor's back in the trade on the other side. Little holes, man. Little holes cause problems. Chase's side is falling through now. See, Taylor's just sending everything back into the trade. And here's Chase going in. He's trying to go down, back in. And Taylor's going in and finding more of Larry's stuff. We're finishing the wall. And here in the front, the fight continues. This is a crazy, hats off to Larry and Travis for holding. They got punched in the balls a lot this game. And still managed to survive. Cuts off this. Probably a good idea. But losing the trade now. I will say that Paladins are much better at destroying trade than Eagle Warriors are. Eagle Warriors are good at being super annoying. They're not great at really killing everything. But they are good at, getting in and just being that screwed up problem that you've got. You do that very well. Travis is still fighting. Now Taylor's built on the other side. So even though they're walled off, Taylor's got stuff going on. Just like to point out, Joel outscored me this game. This is probably Joel's, probably one of his best games as far as he just was solid this game. He really did him and Ethan both did a great job of just holding this section and maintaining what needed to happen. Also like to point out that I'm not building troops right now because Chase wrecked my economy that bad. This game will be over and I'll have just started to look at building troops again because I was dead. So Larry drops. Yeah, I'm just starting to build troops again because I had stopped. So, GG, guys. You look at Taylor had best military, best technology, best society. Ethan had the best economy. You look at military scores. Taylor just kind of went crazy there. Ethan with that KD. Yeah, Ethan and Larry both had Ethan and Taylor had really good KDs there. Now, that was an entertaining game. I spent all of that gold. That gold was all gone the whole game. When we look at our pops, we had a high pop count for a good amount of time. I thought that was interesting, worth noting that, we had everyone going for a while there, and then at the end it kind of dropped off. But either way, it was a good time. I would do it again in a heartbeat. Can't wait for tonight, guys. GG.